Hi, I'm Glenn Villar, and this is Rain Access Solutions. On this episode of Rain Access Solutions, I'm going to show you how to do a battery and tempered glass replacement for Huawei Y6 Cam-L21 mobile phone. This phone has been with us for about 6 years. That's a long journey for a mobile phone being with its owner. And I bet not so many phones can last forever like this one. Well, technically it's not forever, but any phone that lasts more than 5 years can be considered an immortal in my dictionary. Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm removing the screws from the back cover. There are two types of screws here. One is the regular screw and the other type is the star. But first, we're gonna remove the two SIM cards. For the screws that look like a star, there's a special type of tip that can remove them. And this is what I'm talking about. Just sit back and relax while I'm removing the remaining screws. Now that the screws are out of the way, I'm gonna start removing the back cover that protects the logic board and the battery. Wow, I guess the hardest part is over. Actually, I find it harder to remove the battery than the back cover. You will soon find out why. Oh, look at that! I almost used up all of my tools just by removing this battery. I guess Huawei loves to put a lot of glue under the battery to keep it from falling. This is the new battery that I got from Lazada. Let's put the battery in place. Let's plug it a little bit to see if the battery is going to charge up. For most part of this video, it's almost the removing and replacing back the cover that takes place. Looks like we're done with the battery part. Now it's time to replace the back cover. Now I'm going to remove the existing tempered glass. It's already damaged and I'm gonna replace it with a new one from Lazada. Now to complete the Huawei's makeover, I'm gonna install a new case as well. Okay guys, we're done here. Thank you so much for watching. Please support my channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving your comments. Have a nice day everyone.